Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Is anyone here cognizant of the beautiful homes in Clarendon, Jamaica? Well, if you are not well today, you are in for a treat. This stunning family home that we are about to show you today is nestled in the cool and quiet community of Clarendon Park, Tollgate. This 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house sits on 6 acres of lush and fruitful land, perfect for gardening, leisure farming, and cattle rearing while still having enough land space at the front and the rear of the main building to construct a pool and other leisure additions. The foyer is the heart of the home as it acts as the gateway to the home's approximately 10,000 square feet of floor space. In addition to the beautiful furniture, this home comes complete with 5 bedrooms with their respective ensuite bathrooms, a powder room, 2 walk-in closets, kitchen, gym, formal living room, 4 porches, storage room, washing room, dining room, 2 separate car garage that can house 2 and 3 cars respectively, a pantry, and a chair lift for those of us less mobile. If you would like your own private estate while still being close to the most popular restaurants and amenities that Clarendon has to offer, then this is it. Some other features of this home includes ceramic tile, security system, garden area, water tank, water heater, grilled, fully fenced, being sold furnished, hurricane shutters, family oriented, acreage and level lot. The current price of this home is Jamaican 85 million or US $542,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.